Hi, this is JT Jogo Benito and Tennis Wacko, and we're doing a team blind solve again.
Number 3.
Yeah.
Alright, B F I L R I.
B F I L R I.
F I D R I. R U R I U I. F U F I U R U 2 R I U R U I R I U I L R U L I U 2 L U I L I U R I U R U I R I U I R soon.
Soon?
Yeah. U I Q U Y.
Why? What the fuck is Y?
Why? It's the other V. Come
on,
yes.
Yes. 59.27.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay, YouTube, I think this is enough. Alright, bye. Okay, I'm here with JT Jogo Benito, and I said it wrong. I said it wrong. How do I say it?